नेशन वाईड सिव्हिल डिफेन्स मॉक ड्रिल आज पार पडले. सिव्हिल डिफेन्स प्रिपेर्डनेस हो सद्याक देशाचो पहलगाम जाल्ल्या आतंकवादी हल्ल्या उपरांत फोकस जाल्लो आसा. हाचोच भाग म्हूण पणजे आनी मोर्मुगांव वाठारांत पर्यटक वा हेर लोकांक कसलीच अडचण न करता हे मॉक ड्रिल्स पार पडले. नेवल एअरपोर्ट आणि पोर्ट वाठारांनी हे मॉक ड्रिल्स पार पडले. या वेळार एअर रेड्स विथ सायरन्स आणि ब्लॅकआउट प्रोटोकॉल्स, अर्बन फायर एमर्जन्सी, सर्च अँड रेस्क्यू मिशन्स, casualty evacuations, establishment of temporary hospitals, movement of civilians to safe zones वा bunkers ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली मॉक ड्रिल्साच्यो भाग आशिल्ल्यो.
Being an airport operator, we regularly conduct this type of exercise. In fact, last 2 weeks back, we conducted this building evacuation drill. This is as per the Ministry of Affairs instruction. We have conducted the drill with the support of state government as well as the CSF. It was successfully we completed the exercise, and things was, if anything future there is any requirement, definitely we will be addressing that.
Considering the tense situation along the border and very crucial airport here,
Yes.
has any commercial flights been affected or more time is been given to the
In
naval
fact,
flights?
around 22 airports have been closed in the northern region. There are 2 airports which are, one is Chandigarh and Amritsar airport, and Hindon airport. These airports have been flights are regularly from the Daboli airport. There are 2 flights today. It is cancelled, and for tomorrow onwards we can see that what will be the latest picture. As of today, it is only 2 flights are cancelled.
Okay. What is your reaction about the whole thing going on?
No, as of now there is no. However, we are managing. To any situation, we are prepared and we are ready to face the no problem.
Will there be additional security beef up considering?
We already have a full CSF security people, and people is already there.
So today, as a part of Operation Abhyas, so we had a mock exercise here at Daboli Airport, wherein we have simulated a fire scenario in the administrative building of the airport premises, and we had a task of search, rescue, and evacuating the staff belonging to the airport who are stranded in the building. Today, with the help of various stakeholders like NCC cadets, then our Goa Police, CISF, and our fire services, we successfully conducted this mock exercise.
Sir, considering the tense situation along the border, किती additional preparations, because this is a very sensitive area, मोर्मुगांव तालुका खातीर किती आनी additional specification म्हणजे specific threat alerts जावं अशें कितें आसतलें, sounding of sirens or anything else?
Yeah, sirens will be there. Even for today's mock exercise, there was a siren alert at 4 p.m. So after that, we have started with the exercise.
आणि किती हा याच्या ड्रिला भितर सर रातचे लाईट उडोवपाचे ते टायपचे कितें
We have planned a blackout at 7:30. So there will be 15 minutes blackout starting from 7:30 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. in the areas of Daboli, Chikali, and Sankwa.
सर बॉर्डरीचेर जे चालू हा वास्को खातीर म्हणजे मुरमुगांव तालुक्यात कितें तुमी अलर्टनेस जावं पुलीस बंदोबस्ताचे डायरेक्शन अशें कितें दिलां
Directions are always there. We are always on alert whenever the situation arises. And also the main motive of this conducting this exercise was to check the preparedness of the state agencies, state administration, whenever such hostile attack happens.
I am Ishwar Madkekar, Deputy Collector DRO and Incident Commander for this event which we have conducted today. आज आम्ही हांगासर गॅदर जाला एक डिफरंट कायंड ऑफ मॉक एक्सरसाइज करपाक. नॉर्मली आम्ही सायक्लोन आणि सुनामी रिलेटेड खुबशे मॉक एक्सरसाइज केला, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम वेर वी आर डुईंग अ सेक्युरिटी रिलेटेड मॉक एक्सरसाइज. जर एक एक्सटर्नल अटॅक जालो आमच्या स्टेटीर, बिकॉज गोवा इज अ व्हेरी ट्युरिजम डेस्टिनेशन, फॉरेन people come and many visitors are there, so there could be a possibility of any threat. So we should be all alert and we should be all well prepared to handle such situations. So आम्ही आज कितें केला, आमचे डिफरंट लाईन डिपार्टमेंट्स असले जसे की फायर डिपार्टमेंट, पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट, वी गॉट गुड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम NIWS, मागीर police, traffic. So many departments participated in this mock drill exercise, but our main objective was to use the capacity of the local citizens, the volunteers which are trained by the different departments such as civil defense volunteers, NSS, NCC, आपदा मित्रास. सो तांकां कशें एक एक्सपोजर दिवपाचो आनी जेन्ना एक कितें सेक्युरिटी अटॅक जाता सो कितें ऑपरेशन्स करपाचें आनी कशें मोबिलायज करपाचें हें आमी डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट केल्यार. This is one of the first exercise. सो आनी दीस इज द नॅशनल लेवलार जाला ही सो आमी आनीकूय एक्सरसायज करपाचें आसा टू स्प्रेड अवेरनस नॉलेज अमंग द पीपल आनी कशें कितें डिफरंट एक्टिविटीज करपाचे जशें की ब्लॅकआउट आनी सायरन वी हॅड यूज ऑल आर कॅपेसिटी सो इट वॉज अ गूड एक्सरसायज वी हॅव लर्न मेनी थिंग्स आनी आमी अशें करीत रावतले आनी थँक्यू